Replacing the battery in your 2015-2022 Subaru Outback key fob is a simple DIY task. The key fob uses a CR232-3 lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and optionally, a small magnet or tweezers. Subaru recommends recycling old batteries and checks if exposed to extreme temperatures. The battery life is typically 2 to 3 years, and if replaced at a dealership, could cost $150. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually near the key ring. Carefully pry open the case with your screwdriver or pry tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up with the positive plus mark. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm it works.